Hey gang, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm looking at a really cute toy. It's Barbie doll and accessories. It takes two. It's Malibu Camping. It's a playset with doll and a pet puppy and 10 different accessories and a sleeping bag all included in one toy. Now that's really kind of cool. I think it's a lot of stuff to actually be honest with you. So what we have here, let's just go over with you. I want to just make a quick video and show you what this is like. Just to be clear and transparent, I did purchase this myself. This was not sent to me by Barbie or Mattel. I did buy this with my own money. But what I want to do is I want to talk to you about this, so when you're making your shopping decisions, you have some clarity and you know what you're dealing with when it comes to purchasing items. And that's why I make these videos, to show you that. So I am a shopping channel, and hopefully you enjoy the video and subscribe or follow the channel for more information. So what is in the kit? So you get the Barbie, of course. You get the full-size Barbie in here, which is really nice quality Barbie, of course. You get the little dog. Now that's the big deal with my daughter. She wants the dog. So the dog was a really big selling feature with this specific toy. So that's what's kind of sold her. The dog is really cute. So that's what sold it. You get the little backpack. You get a sleeping blanket. You get all these little accessories on top here. You get the little hat, camping gear, glasses, looks like a little suntan lotion, binoculars, a little cell phone in here as well. Looks like a little map, a light. All kinds, looks like snacks, all kinds of cool stuff that's in here when you're going camping. Now, I love the face on this Barbie. I want you to see a good close-up of the face, because a lot of times you really can't see everything clearly, and I really want you to see everything really clearly in the package, really live. So that way you can see the full size, what they look like, and the actual colors. You can just see here. I want you to really get a good look at everything, because that's what this channel is about. She does have little white shoes on, little white sneakers on. You can see the backpack does go on the body, so she can wear the backpack. And the sleeping bag is a full-size Barbie sleeping bag. Now she is wearing a two-piece suit here. It looks like a little tank top with a pair of shorts. It's like almost like a tie-dye shorts, if I had to guess. Little purple hat. And all kinds of fun stuff. So it has all the accessories are in here. There are also different accessories that come with it. Camping, we got a camper as well. Doing a review on the camper, so stay tuned. Watch this channel. I have a camper coming, so I'm going to unboxing on that. I'm going to show you what's in the camper, the Barbie camper. That's a big deal now. The kids love the camper, so that's what's coming next. And just a lot of cool toys and a lot of cool stuff coming up. All right, guys. So I hope you enjoyed this quick review. Just wanted to show you what it looks like in the package here. She's going to open it up and have a great time doing it, but I wanted to show you what it looks like in the package. That way you can see what you're buying and understand what you're getting. Again, this is for ages 3+ because of the small parts. Just be aware of that. Make sure you know that 3+ is the age group on this specific toy, so make sure you know that. Very, really, really important. Okay, guys, that's what I have for you. Barbie Malibu Camping. The whole kit here, whole kit and caboodle, comes in its all blister package. Barbie, as you can see here, and definitely the way to go if you love Barbie. It's a great accessory. Kids love this, and they really, really do. Appreciate your time as always. Don't forget to follow the channel for more great videos. Appreciate your time, and I'll see you at the next review.